road, a ribbon meandering to eternity. At times, empty, silent, pierced only by the rumble of a lonely engine. At times, jammed with the buzz of thousands darting in panic, a cacophony of noise that serves as the background to another grueling day. The road. It's why we rise with the dawn. It's our office, our life. And these are our stories.
It's long hours, it's hard work, it's away from your family on the road. And I think as an industry, we truly are trying to navigate how to make it a more life-friendly experience to work in it.
This is Shifting Gears, the future of professional trucking, a presentation of the Alberta Motor Transport Association. The road, a twisting, winding path leading to another warehouse door. Along the way, the mind meanders, absorbing the beauty of the surrounding countryside. Where does the next highway lead, and what stories are yet to be written? Drivers are needed in an industry that is ready to welcome newcomers with open arms. For more information about the trucking industry in Alberta, please visit the Alberta Motor Transport Association website at amta.ca.
Listen to Shifting Gears, a presentation of the Alberta Motor Transport Association, wherever you download your favorite podcasts.